Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today. This is the Erweka. It's a process system and other functions because it has a whole bunch of different units which can be adapted to the drive unit you see here. In this case, we're showing you the 3-roll mill with the ceramic rolls. It's on 120 volt, also included with this unit. And here you can see how it hooks into the drive right here. The 3-roll mill. It's stainless rolls, of course, and then this attachment here, which we believe is the filler. We're going to have that noted in our complete description on it. Same configuration to attach here as well. Nice little tabletop unit. They've been around for many years. German made. Fantastic quality. And we hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.